Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And let me get the table topic for today. The table topic is, what does your joy look like today? What does your joy look like today? Okay, let's explore this question all together. What does your joy look like today? When we talk about uh, joy look like today, it's about the small things, little things in our life that makes us happy, that we do. One thing, uh, one such thing for me is singing aloud or, while listening songs. So whenever I do that, most of the people who are near to me don't like it, but whenever I do that, it's just a mood booster for me. It just quickly change my mood and I feel happy about it. So this is one thing that uh, I have been doing whenever I feel like my mood is not better. I just need to change my mood. I listen songs in a high voice and just sing aloud. So just like this, and why it is important to find these joyful little things when these can work or to change your mood. If we identify and then whenever we are not in a good mood, we can quickly change or shift our mood towards that. And now, after we identify what are the things that makes us happy, what are the little things that we can do in our life, day-to-day life, if just try those things sometimes and you will see it yourself. Thank you. Over to you.